Hi everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. This is Crypto Everything here. Okay, so the video we're going to be doing today is pretty time sensitive, so as soon as you get this video, please just jump right in. Okay, so but before we continue, before I show you what I got for you today, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified anytime I make a new video. So as right now I'm about 1.7k followers. Okay, so if you can get me to 5,000 followers, I'll be so grateful. So that will be my target before the end of this year, and I know we can do that together. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go to the video for today. So what we're going to be doing today is called Thinkin. Okay, so this is Web3 social platform. Okay, just like if you missed the favor, okay, though the favor airdrop is not out yet, but I think it's far, they've gone too far for us to actually join them right now. But this right here is really good, and you can easily get points here. Okay, we're going to redeem all those points for actual tokens. Okay, so their token is going to be released soon. Okay, if you can go to their Twitter, you have a very good following, okay, which is about 31k, which means we are actually really early. Yeah, we are early-ish. Okay, so but this is going to expire, or this airdrop is going to end on the 20th of December. So you got about like 2-3 days to do all of this. Okay, so make sure you just follow this video step by step. Okay, so and the different thing about this airdrop is we're not going to be using MetaMask, we're going to be using Algorand. Okay, so this is the first Algorand video that I've actually covered in this video, in this platform, I think. So make sure you do just follow me. Okay, so I have gotten there's a step-by-step platform. This is step-by-step for you to follow, like I usually do. As you can see, the airdrop date is about 20th of December, and they're going to be sharing about 1 million ink tokens. Okay, so the ink tokens you get on your platforms are going to be rewarded to you. I do not know how much the ratio to which they're going to share the inks, but this is how we're going to do it. So first of all, you need to follow them on Discord, and you need to follow them on Twitter, which is very necessary, and then you need to create a MyArgo account. Okay, so all you have to do is click on this link, and then you're going to create a MyArgo account. So this is MyArgo account. Okay, right here, you just have to create it and nothing more. You're not going to have to fund it, you just have to have a MyArgo account. It's very easy, just like you create MetaMask. You're going to give you your 12 seed phrases, and then you're going to save it and all that stuff. So the next thing we want to do is we have to go back to the platform itself right now. So this is the link, beta.thinkin.inc. okay, so when you come here, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so right here you need to log in. Okay, so you're going to need to log in. There are 3 ways for you to log in. You can log in with your Apple, you can continue with your Google, or you can continue with your wallet. But first of all, I would advise you to continue with your wallet, because on the long run you're going to have to provide one of these two in the platform. So you're going to have your wallet, and you're going to have either Google or Apple. So you're going to click on connect your wallet, connect with wallet address, and then it's going to automatically sense your Argo in your browser that you're already logged in, and then it's going to log in for you. So that is your registration. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to bring you up to the next page. So it's going to bring you here. Now, as you can see right here, this is a platform, and I have set in my profile picture. Okay, so like I said, you can just follow this simple stuff. So you can put in a background picture, you can put a profile picture, and then you create a post and create a DAO. So I'm going to do all of that here right now for you to see. It's pretty easy. Now if you come here, you're going to see that I have a reward of 768 ink. Okay, so this is how much ink tokens that I have right now from when they go online, when they launch. I don't know when they're going to launch, but this stops on the 20th of December. So do it as quickly as possible. So you have to go over to the settings area. So if you click on settings area, as you can see right here, you need to fill in your email address. Okay, so for you just starting out, there's going to be a Google button right here, which is going to link you to your Google. So you have to log in your Google account. Okay, so this is my username, Crypto Everything. You can follow me if you want. Okay, so this is my Argo wallet address. Okay, so pretty simple. All you have to do, if you haven't filled all of this, is just to fill it in, because you're going to have to fill in your username. Choose a username and just click on confirm, and then it's going to be set, and you put in a profile picture when you want. So if you want to put in a profile picture, all you just have to do is click on this section right here. There's going to be a drop down menu. There's going to be a menu for you where you can put your profile picture, your background, or your background picture. So this is my background picture. You just have to click on this, select a picture from your computer or from your phone, or your profile picture, same way you set it. Okay, so it's very easy. So as you can see right here, have some followings and stuff like that. So these are my posts. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how to create a post, and which is very easy from what you can see. So all you have to do is create a post. So how do you get points here? You get points from liking people's posts or commenting on people's posts. You get points on posting, and when people like your post, okay, when people vote your post, comment on your post, you get several points. Okay, so the most points come from when you create posts. Okay, so all you have to do, create a post. If you create a post right now, you're going to be getting some ink tokens. I think for each post you're going to be getting about 1.5 ink tokens. Okay, so you're going to have to click on create post, and then you choose which audience you want to use. Right now you can choose to set to everyone if you want to. Then just create a title. You can just call it crypto, anything you want to do, but make sure your title is cool, and then your content your content determines how much points you get. So if you just write 1 or 2 words, you're not going to get so much points, but if you write like a whole lot, okay, there you're going to be getting a lot of points for that. So I'm just going to come back here and drop something. So as you can see, okay, so I've filled it out. So all you just have to do is click on post. Okay, so you can add hashtags. Okay, so if you want to add hashtag, just put in hashtag and then put in whatever you want to. So you just search for anything like crypto and just add in the hashtag. Okay, so I think you can add a little more hashtag per time. You search again, just add as much hashtags that you want, and then just click on done, and then just click on post now. Okay, so if you do post, you're going to be getting some points for that. As you can see, my post has been created. Okay, so now when people do like my post, if I go back to dashboard, you're going to see the post that I just created, and as you can see, my inks just increased by I don't know how many. So this is the post that I just created. So when you like it, when you like your post, your inks are going to increase also. So also when you comment on this, they're going to increase. When people do comment on this, is going to increase. So just like and share people's stuff. Okay, so that way you gain a lot of points, and you can follow people. So just click on follow and follow and follow. So this, to create a DAO is easy. So creating a DAO is like creating a group. Okay, so right now you can put it in the image of the group. They just see a DAO as a group. So put in an image, and you put in a title, a description of it, and who can see it, everyone or private. Leave all this and just scroll down to where you can add hashtags. You just add hashtags. If you have a link, if you have a Twitter link, you can put it in there. If you have a Telegram link, you can put it in there. These are optional. Okay, so you just click on mark as important and create a DAO. Okay, so after creating a DAO, then you can come over back to your DAO and see how it is. So I've gone ahead to put in all of this, put in an image, and just put in a couple of tags, okay, for the sake of creating a DAO, and just click on create a DAO. So I'll put in all the necessaries. Okay, so create a DAO, and it should be created shortly. So as you can see, your DAO is open. So this is like your group. So when people do join and you post things like you can post content here. If you want to create a post, just click on create post, and then you can do whatever you want to do, and just create posts. The more posts that you create here, the better it is for you. So make sure you do create posts. That's also an important thing that you should notice. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I am verified right here. I don't know why a Web3 or something that's supposed to be decentralized requires verification, but I think it does. But I have done mine actually. So all you have to do is click on verification. As you can see, you have to provide a government government issued ID if you have a passport or you have a driver's license, if you want to do that. But I don't know, though they do not disturb you for not verifying your account, but I think so it might be a criteria later for you to be able to withdraw your funds out of here. Okay, so make sure just try to do that. It's very easy. So if you want to do if you want to create your verify your page, just click on that verify over here, and just gonna click on there's gonna be a verify button here. Then you go through the process of capturing your ID and all that stuff. So I don't want to do that in this video. I've already done that. So if you want to see your points, okay, so you just go over to this end section here. If you go onto end section, you're going to see how much you have got and if it is claimable. So right now it is not claimable. I got about 781 ink. Okay, so you can see for creating a post and liking some posts, I just got some more inks. Okay, so this button right here, as you can see, is not yet highlighted, and so I think when they do launch it, or when they allow people to start withdrawing, there's going to be a claim button here, and I think they do not allow any fraudulent activity. So make sure try to refer yourself and stuff like that. So make sure just keep it cool and all that stuff. So like I said, there's a step-by-step process here, all of it here, and after you've done that, you need to submit a form. Okay, so this is the form right here. You click on this form here and you're going to open it here, and now this form you need to fill it here. So I would advise you here, when you're putting your email, to use the email that you use in creating the account. So you put in the email for your account, and then you put in your Argo wallet address, which I just showed you how to get. So this is your Argo wallet address. So this right here is your Argo wallet address. So just copy and paste it over here, and then you just have to put in your Telegram username. Okay, so you can go over to their Twitter and follow them on Telegram. So if you open it here, this is Linktree. If you open this Linktree, it's going to bring out all of the links that they have connected to the website. Okay, so you can see they have the Twitter, a Telegram community, a Medium, Discord. So if you want to join them, if any of those other links are not working, so this right here, you can be able to get it here. So make sure you join their Telegram channel before you fill out this form. So you fill out your Telegram username, and then you raise their functionality, what you do, because this right here is important. So don't just try to fill this, with much information, as much information as you can give them. Just don't rush through, just because this is a feedback form that will definitely help them. So make sure you put in a little bit more effort when you fill in this form. Okay, so you just fill it, all of this right here. So what can be improved in terms of design? So what do you think that can be improved? Just let them know here. After you've done that, just click on submit. And now the last thing that we're going to need to do is go over to Twitter, and so as you can see, is tweet a screenshot of your post by tagging @ThinkingXYZ along with the hashtag Thinkin. Okay, so after creating like a post here on Thinkin, okay, so you take a screenshot of your post here on Thinkin, go over to your Twitter and create a post. Okay, and using this hashtag, you can use the hashtag Thinkin, and you tag them also with Thinkin_XYZ. So you just have to create a post. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see here, we've tagged them, we've used the hashtag, and then we can just put in something, let's put in something cool, like just say thank you, or whatever you want to put in, then just click on tweet. Okay, so after you have done that, then you are good to go. So we can go over back to what we were doing and just check through. As you can see, this is all that we have to do. It's very easy. Create my Argo wallet, create my Thinkin account, put in a background picture and a profile picture, create a post, create a DAO, and fill out this form, and then tweet a screenshot of whatever you were doing on Thinkin, and then just put it on Twitter and use these tags and a hashtag. So that is all that I have for you today. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and help out this channel. This helps us grow when you like and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share to family and friends, and join my Telegram group. It's going to be in the description below. And I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye.